Lisa, and this is the first time I go on YouTube. Okay, and today I'll show you how to make French slime. Okay, first thing, you need starch and a bottle of water. Okay, you put a little bit water in your big ball like this. Okay, after you put a full big spoon of starch. Let's go. And after you just mix it. We need to have more starch. More starch. Okay, more starch. Maybe I put this like this. Now I can mix it. Let's see what that gives to us. Wow, French slime is really working. I love it. Maybe we need to mix it very much. And now that becomes liquid. I will put more starch to see what that gives. This time I will put 2 big spoons. Okay, and I mix it again and again and again. That becoming slime. And again and again and again and again. It's very hard to mix it. Maybe I put too much starch. But that worked too. Just now you need to remix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And now I put too much starch. But that worked. See, this is how to make French slime. I take out the spoon and let's see what that gives to me. When I take it, that is not like water, the slime, but like that is very, very, very heavy. And if you let it go, he become back water, see? See? Water. But if you take it, he will be very, very, very heavy. Very heavy. Heavy, heavy. And if you let it go, that melts like water again. See? That is how we make French slime. Bye guys, and see you to the next video. Bye.